Ever wish you could peek under the hood of your Ubuntu system and take control? Advanced mode in Ubuntu gives you a front row seat to system recovery, kernel selection, and a whole world of tweaking options. Today, we'll jump into how to access this powerful mode. First things first, make sure your Ubuntu system is completely shut down, like a power-off situation. Now, ready for the real action, press the power button on your computer to start it up, just like you normally would. As your computer starts to boot up, you'll notice a screen flashing up with a manufacturer logo, or, more generally, the GRUB menu. This is a key part, so move fast. Here's the magic. While the GRUB menu is displaying, start rapidly tapping the Shift key. Keep tapping until you see the GRUB menu appear. It doesn't take too long, so be ready if you miss it. Don't worry. Just restart and try again. Keep trying until you see it. On some systems, you may need to tap the Escape key instead of Shift. You've got it. Once you see the menu, you've succeeded. Look for the option labeled Advanced Options. For Ubuntu, use your arrow keys on your keyboard to select the advanced options. Once selected, press the Enter key. Now you'll be presented with a new set of boot options, typically including different kernel versions and recovery modes. This is where things get interesting. From here, you can choose your preferred kernel to boot into, maybe to address a recently introduced bug. Or you might choose a recovery mode, and that's it. Congratulations, you've successfully entered advanced mode. Use this newfound power responsibly. Advanced mode is your friend to restore your system. Now go troubleshoot, customize, and master your Ubuntu experience.